Hello, my dear subscribers. So it's been a while. I've had about 10 days of on and off fever, and whatever this was, it was pretty bad, but I think I'm finally recovering, though not yet completely 100%. So I've been waiting to feel well enough to present my highlights of this incredible latest theme, Coral Garden, from the Beating School Academy box. They, every time they present a new box and Erica does the full unboxing, it is such a special event, I find. So every 2 months she presents this new, and it's so excitement, and you know it's going to be good, and you never know just how good, and they always manage to make it really beautiful and exciting. There's always new components, new shapes, and they just do an incredible job. So this is the sticker from the Coral Garden box, and this one is fuchsia level. So for those of you who are not familiar, they have 3 levels: yellow, turquoise, and fuchsia. Yellow is the cheapest, fuchsia is the most expensive, but at the same time, fuchsia is by far the best value because the amount of free tutorials you get. This box comes with at least 5, kits for 5 of the tutorials that they provide. You can always get additional boxes. Also, you are not obligated to keep subscribing. You can always choose to try one out, try a theme, see how it suits you, whether it works for you, and then it's very easy. It's very easy to cancel it online. You just click cancel subscription in your account, and that's it. You are not tied into it. So if you want to have a theme box, now and then, and if you want to see the contents before you buy, you can always watch the unboxing and then go and get that theme. So it's really, I think they're very, very flexible with how they do things. I suppose the best thing about it is the community you join at the Beating School Club. And another thing that's really impressive is that I've never, ever in all these years had anything missing. I have no idea how they do it, but all the components are accounted for. And if there is any issue with anything, they have amazing customer service and they'll fix anything. Really, they're really amazing at what they do. So anyway, I cannot praise them highly enough. So today I want to start with this incredible collection of Preciosa crystals that they provide in this box. I mean, look at these colors. This theme to me is just, it's so vibrant, it's so rich, it's saturated colors. But you have everything. You have these darker colors, which are these are, oh, let me see which ones these were. The dark indigo, yes. So these are the 8mm dark indigo Rivalis, and they are gorgeous. Let me just get one, just to give you sort of, when the light hits it just right. I mean, this is stunning. Looks actually like really rich tanzanite. Oh, I think okay, there we are. That's better. I mean, these are really, really stunning. My goodness, they're gorgeous. They're like, I don't know, or a rich sapphire. I don't know. They call them dark indigo. Now look at this. This is an 18mm cushion cut Preciosa. This color is just stunning. Okay, for some reason my camera shows it as lighter than it is, but this is a really, really vibrant cyan color. And let me check if it's, yeah, it's called Light Siam, but still, let's see. It's really rich, kind of berry red, just stunning. Love it. Then, of course, we have these gorgeous, I think these are rose opal. I don't know. I took them out of the bags and I just put the bags all over the place. It just shows that my brain's not working properly yet. So, yes, 2.8 Preciosa Sion Rhinestone Rose Opal in gold color setting. And then, of course, we have these 7mm rose chatons, and these are new colors. I cannot pick one up. Where are they? Yeah, this one is neon violet. Oh my, this color is just stunning. Let me get this one out of here first, and then I can maybe pick one up. Yes, just to show you. I mean, this is such, for me, this is one of the most amazing colors ever. This will go with turquoise, with chartreuse, with yellow, with red. Honestly, to me, this color just goes with pretty much anything. These are fantastic. New color, gorgeous. And then I'll bring this up closer. Look at these bicones. So the smaller ones, where is the baggie? The smaller ones are 3mm Preciosa Malibu Blue AB2X. Wow, I mean, look at that. That's just gorgeous. And the 4mm Preciosa Bicone Rose Peach Matte. Rose Peach Matte. Wow. I mean, just look at all these components. And I left this special one for last. Look at it. Oh, my phone keeps sliding down. Okay, look at this. I mean, this is a very special cup chain. Do you see how it's set? It makes the crystal seem kind of oblong, kind of almost oval shapes. And that's very special. So beautiful. Look how well all these go together, all the different colors, and they go so well together. And I want to also mention some of the other components, which were the shaped beads in this box. There were the 12mm twisted bugle beads, which are just, I think you get two alternating. You either get seafoam or turquoise. So, but these are just gorgeous. Then you get some of this milky jonquil. Excuse me, my voice still recovering. So milky jonquil teacups. This is a really lovely, versatile shape. Then there's the cradle bead in this gorgeous, gorgeous topaz pink. It's like pink, but it has a gold shine to it. And they've already released the list of all the jewels that you can make from this box, and I'll put that down in the description box, as well as where you can get the subscription. And you should check these out. The designs are just fabulous. I mean, they're always fabulous. Honestly, I cannot speak highly enough about Beading School Club. And now I love gecko beads. I mean, look at this finish. Look at this stunning. Just look, I don't know. They put so much thought and effort into all these components. And to give you a glimpse of what other components there are, I have created this design, these earrings. They're super lightweight, very long, and they really show up like from the distance. They really pop. And all these beads, they're from the same box too. There are many, many more components. I'll put the link to Erica's full unboxing so that you can check it out, because there is a lot more, like really a lot more. But I have made these earrings. Here we are. There we are. And I sent the tutorial to the Beading School Club, so we'll see how and when they plan to release it. But take a look at all these components and look, notice how well all these colors go together. There's, you know, the oranges, the pinks, the yellows, the blues, the turquoise, and they just really, they really know their colors. It's especially if you're struggling with getting some colors together to see if they'll work. That I really cannot recommend this subscription enough to you. So there we are. These are the earrings I created. I already wore them a couple of times. They're really lightweight and, you know, dangly with all these. I love the teacups. Oh yes, the name I gave these is Physalia. Physalia is actually, it's a kind of a jellyfish. I don't know if that's still the right term for it, but it's the Portuguese man of war, which is interesting kind of name. But the scientific name is Physalia, and they usually live in the open sea. But you know, I just imagine, what if one of them just wandered in to a coral garden, and all the colors of the coral garden that they would reflect in their body, they have this kind of rhombus shape. It's a very unusual kind of jellyfish. So if you want to look it up, you know, you can Google it. So and here we are. So these are my highlights from this theme, and it's just, I mean, they did it again. So check out all the links in the description box below. And I'm gonna go before I start coughing during the broadcast. So see you soon. Bye.